For many years, my work has focused on offenders, assessing risk, for example, and on programs, how to design more effective correctional programs. And the piece that's often been missing has been the skills and the competencies that correctional staff, particularly probation officers, parole officers, caseworkers, need to be agents of change. What we have found is that in interacting with offenders, many times probation and parole officers continue to focus on conditions. They focus on kind of this fear, if you don't do what I tell you to do, kind of mentality. And in part because they don't know how to work with an offender in a different way. They simply don't have the skills. And so we have been working to develop some new training in which we are trying to teach probation and parole officers in particular new ways to interact with offenders, how to teach the offender problem-solving skills, how to teach the offender to recognize the thought-behavior link that often accompanies their behavior, how to take that short session that they have with the offender and to be much more productive. For example, one of the things we find is that the more things they talk about, the less effective they are. So simply focusing on one problem area at a time and working with that offender on that particular area is a lot more successful than trying to cover 8 or 9 things during a 10-minute session. So I think this work, if we can put this together with better designed, more effective programs, we can see some, I think, some substantive reductions in recidivism.